Hello everyone. Shri Jawaharlal Darda Education Societies, Yavatmal Public School welcomes you to the digital world. Welcome to YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Please like and share our videos and subscribe the channel.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sakshi Nagwani and I welcome you all on the official YouTube channel of Yavatmal Public School YPS Back to Class.
In this video, we will see how to write a formal letter. But before that, let's see what is a letter. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another, generally through post. It is a communication between two or more people in written form. There are two types of letters: formal letters and informal letters. Informal letters are the personal letters as they are written to the friends, family and relatives. Formal letters are the official letters or business letters. These letters can be written as application letters. They can be written to the editor. These letters can also be written for placing order of books. These letters can also be as complaint letters or requests for something. These letters can also be written for replacement of goods or inquiry of something. There are certain points to be kept in mind while writing the formal letter. The language that you use should be straightforward and to the point. You have to avoid using long sentences. The word limit should not extend beyond 150 or 200 words. You have to adhere to the word limits.
Now let's move to the format of formal letter. Now when I talk about the formal letter, it is mandatory to stick on your left hand side. Whatever you are going to start, it has to be compulsorily begun with left hand side. Now see here, the letter will start with sender's address. Sender's address means your own address. Once you write your own address, leave one line here. After leaving line, you have to write the date. And date also has to be written in a specific format, that means in complete format. Like for example, I am just giving you here 20 August 2020. You have to write the address in this complete form. Don't put the address like 20082020. No, this is not the correct form. So stick to this type only. Then after that, leave one line, entire line. Then comes the receiver's address. Receiver's address means the person to whom you are writing the letter. Receiver's address. Then again, leave one line. Wherever I am showing you the arrow, that indicates that you have to leave the line. After receiver's address, there comes the subject. Now what is this subject? Subject means the purpose of your letter writing, but it has to be written in a very small sentence and depends on what you are writing, depends on the content of your letter. Suppose your letter, in your letter you are including, you are writing the letter to request something. So your subject will start from requesting. Okay, requesting to grant me the leave. Or suppose you are ordering some books. So your subject will be ordering for books. Or if you are cancelling the order, so cancellation of the order. So according to your subject, according to your letter, your subject will come. Then again you have to leave here one entire line. After that comes salutation. Salutation, now what is the meaning of salutation? Salutation means the way of greeting to the person or addressing to the person whom you are writing the letter. By referring dear sir or madam, you can write this, or you can also write respected sir or madam. Depends on to whom you are writing. If you are writing to a lady, you will refer as madam. If you are writing to a gents, you are going to write it as sir. Now, then comes, after salutation, you have to come on the very next line, and here body of the letter starts. Body of the letter. Now body of the letter, children, is divided into 3 parts. That means 3 paragraphs. So first paragraph will be the introduction. Introduction means the purpose of writing the letter, why you have written the letter, that you are going to include in the first paragraph. Second paragraph contains the detail. That means detail of your letter, everything, whatever you want to say, that has to be written in the second paragraph. And third paragraph consists of conclusion. That means you have to conclude your letter by suppose saying, please fulfill my wish, accept, whatever. So that will be your conclusion. And after body of the letter, that means after third part of your body of the letter, that means conclusion, you have to put there thanking you on the next line, thanking you, and again leave one line. Here comes subscription. Subscription means the way of ending the letter. So you can either write yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently. There are many ways. Then remember children, after subscription, here at the bottom, if name is mentioned in the question, you have to write your name. Else you are going to put X, Y, Z. No need to mention the name here. Okay. So this was the format of the formal letter.
Now let's have a sample of the formal letter. The question is, write a letter to a book publisher placing order for books. Now see children, this is the answer of the question. My formal letter starts with the sender's address, as I told you. So this is the writer's address, the one who is writing the letter, near Rani Sati Bagh, Mala Bazar, New Delhi. Then after that you can see the gap. Gap means you have to leave one line. Then date. Date I have put in this particular order as I showed you in the format. Then again there is gap, that means you have to leave one line. Then comes the receiver's address. The manager, Navneet Publications, Mumbai. After that, leave one line, then comes subject. I told you that if you are giving order for the books, your subject should be order for books published by Navneet Publications. Then again, leave one line, then comes the salutation. Salutation, as I told you, you can either write dear sir or respected sir. So dear sir, then body of the letter. You can see here body of the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. Now as you can see, this first paragraph is the introduction. Introduction means purpose of writing letter. I would like to place an order for some books published by Navneet Publications. I would be grateful if you would send me 1 copy each of the following books. Now comes the second paragraph, in which I have shared the list of the books that I need. First is The Lama by Deepa Agrawal. Second, The Snow Queen by Padmini Desai. Third, Sleeping Beauty's Daughter by Dane Zeller. And fourth, The Arabian Nights by Margaret. So this completes my second paragraph. Now comes the third paragraph of the body of the letter, that is concluding paragraph. So I have concluded my letter by saying, I hope you will deliver the books as soon as possible. And as I told you, after that you have to mention thanking you. After thanking you, leave one line, and then comes the subscription. Yours sincerely. Now if the name is mentioned in the question, write your name, else you can write XYZ.
I hope you understood how to write the formal letters. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to YPS Back to Class.